In a world striving for progress, there exists a silent crisis, hidden in the shadows of technological advancement and educational reforms.
The global challenge of low literacy rates, especially among young learners, haunts communities, hindering progress and keeping cycle of poverty.
In today's world, low literacy rates pose a significant challenges, especially among young learners. As highlighted by Project LitUp in 2023, this issue is pressing and requires immediate attention.
From their report, both Filipino and English, nagkaroon ng mga result of the non-readers. So nito, na-assign ako sa isang grupo na I have 2 students there, 5 sila, totaling walang alam pa sa akin. Kahit simpleng pinagsamang isang vowel at isang consonant. Eh, dun sa mga ganun, kaagad nilang sinasabi, ma'am, ali ko po talaga biyasa ko na sa work.
But amidst these challenges, there emerges a hope, a solution born from innovation and driven by the passion to transform lives.
Introducing Turo Guru, a revolutionary app poised to rewrite the narrative of illiteracy.
Yung app po yung magsisabi. Okay. Actually, mas maganda yun. Parang i-level up yung klase ng remediation or intervention para sa kanila. Dahil may gagamit kayo ng technology. Okay.
Join us in rewriting the future. Together, we can turn the page on illiteracy with Turo Guru.
Tapos yung babalikan ako ni bata para sabihin sa akin, ma'am, nakakapasa.